Facebook says you need 600,000 minutes within 2 to 3 months of consistent content posting. Okay, cool. That's 10,000 hours, right? You can do that in about 60 days, which again, 2 or 3 months, right? You do 10 videos, each video's viewing at 1,000 views, 1 hour each, right? That's 10,000 hours. More of this is, y'all, post the goddamn content. I don't care what it is. And yes, those are Thai ribs, and we had to finish out the Caesar salad. Oh my gosh, I am so happy that I did not cook on New Year's Eve. Did y'all?